In space, precision isn't negotiable. It's mission-defining. It's the ability for your satellite to perform high-accuracy, attitude determination. It's the arc-second difference between success and failure. Whether it's one high-value satellite or a growing constellation, Terma Star Trackers deliver high performance and reliability, even in the most challenging and dynamic conditions. Terma's Star Tracker portfolio includes solutions for different mission classes. This is performance and reliability built on over 25 years of Star Tracker expertise and flight-proven and trusted on ESA missions. Precision is driven by the Faint Star 2 sensor combined with ESA-qualified software and state-of-the-art optics. Multiple solutions tailored for the mission, enabling flexibility, cost efficiency and uncompromised quality. Terma Star Tracker, proven precision and reliability from LEO to deep space.